So let's move on to next question, problem number 16. Very interesting problem, very simple problem. Okay, but actually conceptually very interesting problem. Rajesh Limited is considering purchase of a delivery van and is evaluating the following two choices. How many choices they have? Two choices. What are they? The company can buy a used van for 20,000. So you will buy a used van for 20,000 and after 4 years sell the same for 2,500 and replace it with another used van which is expected to cost 30,000 and has 6 years life with no terminal value. This is one option. Option 2, the company can buy a new van for 40,000. What is the second option? The company can buy a new van for 40,000. The projected life of the van is 10 years and has an expected salvage value net of taxes of 5,000 at the end of 10 years. The services provided by vans under both of the choices are the same. Assuming cost of capital 10%, which choice is preferable? This is the question. Very interesting question, no? So, what are the important points in this question, you know? Point number 1. There are no cash inflows. So, you cannot calculate NPV. There are no cash inflows. You cannot calculate NPV. So, there are only cash outflows. So, you need to solve the problem from the point of view of cash outflow. So, try to understand the situation like this. Try to understand the problem like this. So, one option is, see, you need delivery van for 10 years, okay. This is alternative 1. In alternative 1, here buy a used van. Today, buy a new used van, T0. Then T4, this 4 years you can use the car. T4, sell the van, buy another used van, another second hand. Then use this for 6 years till T10. This is one alternative. Second alternative is buy a new van. Alternative 2 is buy a new van. Use it up to T10, 10 years. So there are two options. One is buy a used van, use it for 4 years, then sell it, then buy another used van, use it for 6 years. So total 10 years. Alternative 2, today itself buy a new van. At the end of 10th year, some salvage value will be there, sell it off. So in these two alternatives, what is to be done? So the problem, as I told you already, since cash inflows are not given, problem should be solved based on cash outflows. Okay, so solution, problem number 16, solution. Since cash inflows are not given, since cash inflows are not given, the problem is to be solved from the point of view of cash outflows. So we need to calculate present value of cash outflow. We need to calculate present value of cash outflow. How do we calculate alternative 1? Year. Okay, in year 0, that means today you are buying one car. Year 4, you are buying one car. So cash outflow, discount factor at a rate of, what is the discount factors given? 10%. Discount factor 10%. So discounted cash flows. So in year 0, what is the investment? Today you are buying a new car, new van. So with what money you are buying a new van? You are buying new van with 20,000. This is 20,000. At the end of 4th year, you will buy a new van with 30,000, but hold on. Old van can be replaced for 2,500. So here it is 27,500. How this 27,500 came? 30,000 is the cost of second hand van at the end of 4th year minus 2,500 you will get replacement, you know, in exchange. You have already one old van that you will exchange for 2,500. So 27,500. Now look at this discount factors for 0th year. Always discount factor is 1. 0th year means today. Why are we writing always, if investment is 2 lakhs, why are we writing present value of outflow 2 lakhs? Because Today 1 rupee is equal to 1 rupee only. Okay, but at the end of 4th year, oh my god, take calculator. At the end of 4th year, 1 divided by 1.1, first year 0.909, second year 826, third year 751, fourth year 683.683. So what is the present value of cash outflows? Multiply this with this and add. So how much you got? 38,782. What is this? This is present value of cash outflow. This is present value of cash outflow. Alternative 1. Now alternative 2. Alternative 2. So same I will take. So now I write year 0 and then year 10 recovery. So year 0 how much you are spending? 40,000. Year 10 how much you are getting back? Year 10 5,000. So this is minus 5,000. So 36,585. So because cash inflow, residual value is cash inflow, I am subtracting it. But this is 4th year 1, I need to take 10th year. So this is 4th year 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you calculate and tell me how much I need to take at the end of 10th year? 0.386. Is it right? 0.386. So it is 38,070. So what will we write? Conclusion. Since the present value of investment is lower in alternative 2, it is advisable to buy a new van. It is advisable to buy a new van. Don't you think it is very interesting model? Nice problem, no? So you understand this?